The AirPods Pro came out in October 2019 as a high-end version of its existing AirPods with a unique design, noise reduction technology, better sound and a more expensive price tag. Then, at the end of 2021, when the iPhone 13 was launched in October, Apple refreshed the AirPods Pro, adding the MagSafe charging case. The only difference between the 2021 AirPods Pro and the 2019 AirPods Pro is the addition of the MagSafe charging case, and this is the product we will be looking at in today's video, the 2021 AirPods Pro with MagSafe charging case. Just by looking at the box, I can see the quality of this packaging. They offer a pleasant unboxing experience. Once the box is open, the first thing that greets me is the literature. There are the quick start guide, the warranty card, but I noticed there is no Apple sticker, and thinking of it, this is the first item that I got from Apple and doesn't have the sticker. Then there is a charging case with the earbuds inside, which we will have a look at in a moment. Under the tray there is the USB-C to Lightning charging cable, same as the one the iPhone has, and a small compartment with the ear tips, small and large sizes. The medium size is fitted on the earbuds. There is no power adapter in the box. This is the case. It has a square design with the Lightning charging port at the bottom, the LED light at the front, and the connection button at the back. Once the lid is open, there are the earbuds. I can feel the difference in quality on the materials used compared to the other earbuds cases I tested or own. The quality is superior and the sound made when the lid is closed is satisfying. The case is made of plastic, it has a glossy finish, and I noticed that it picks up scratches quite quickly. After a couple of days I spotted a hairline scratch on the case. This is why I strongly suggest to use a protective case. It attracts fingerprints, but they are not so visible unless you search for them. They only come in white, no other color available. The lid can open with one hand, the spring feels strong, hopefully it will stay like this in the long run, and the case feels really good in hand. The squarish shape fits perfectly in my hand. I thought that because it has a glossy finish the case will be slippery, but to my surprise it is grippy. This AirPods Pro case is the refurbished version with the MagSafe. There is no other difference between the 2021 version and the 2019 version. The earbuds are held in place by magnets, strong ones, and they do not come out when shaked. They look similar to most earbuds on the market that have the ear tips and the stems. The AirPods Pro came with sensors and mics, plus they also have the H1 chip for automatic switching, audio sharing and other features. The ear tips can be removed but not easily. It took me some time to figure out how to remove them. Make sure that you have the correct fit for you to benefit from the noise cancelling and the transparency mode. The ear tips have a unique fitment, so you can't use aftermarket tips, or at least I am not aware of any. The speaker grill is quite big, so I assume the sound is powerful. They have a similar design to the normal AirPods, but the stem is shorter. There is no physical button, but there is a pressure sensitive section that can replicate how you'd use a button. We'll have a closer look later. To connect the earbuds to the device of your choice, place the earbuds close to the iPhone, open the lid of the case and press connect when the animation appears on the screen. Thanks to the Apple H1 chip, there is no need to go to settings, Bluetooth and pair the earbuds from there. It will show information about the media control, features and control center. Then it will show the battery percentage for the earbuds and for the case. Now everything is set up and ready to go. I tried the first version of the AirPods and they didn't stay in the ear, and I was never a fan of that type of earbuds. The AirPods Pro fit differently thanks to the ear tips, which creates a seal for better noise cancelling. With a correct size ear tip, I have no issues with them coming out of the ear. They stay put even when I shake my head. The stems are shorter than what is available on the market. Just as a comparison, the One More ComfortBuds Pro have nearly double the length of the AirPods Pro stem. Before we look into the features, if you got value out of this video, be the cool guy to hit the like button. I can see that 99% of the viewers are not subscribed. It would be great if we can decrease that percentage, so hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified of future product reviews. Now let's get back to the video. The AirPods Pro are packed with a lot of features. Let's start with the media control. On each of the stems there is a pressure-sensitive section that can replicate how a button is used. Using 2 fingers, squeeze the flat indentation on each earbud. You'll hear a click in your ear with each press. Press once for play or pause. Press twice for next song. Press 3 times for the previous song. And press and hold to switch from active noise cancelling to transparency mode or to activate the voice assistant. In terms of noise cancelling, they do a great job, but only with the correct ear tips. I had to fit the large size ones to pass the ear tip test. Having a better seal means better noise cancelling. For faster access, pull down the control center from the top left corner, tap and hold on the volume and select noise cancelling on or off. This is where you can also access the transparency mode. What this does is to activate the exterior mics so you can hear what happens around you if you listen to music. Another feature present on AirPods Pro is the Spatial audio mode. This lets the listener to hear 3-dimensional audio, similar to the sound in the cinemas, where sound appears to be coming from all around, from the front, from behind, from the side and from above the head. It feels like being present at a live concert. To take it a step further, AirPods Pro have 2 settings for spatial audio, fixed and head tracked. We all know what fixed means. Regardless how we turn the head, the sound comes from the front. With head tracked, the sound comes from the front and stays there regardless how I turn the head. If I turn the head to the left, I will hear more on the right ear, and if I turn the head to the right, I will hear more on the left ear. The AirPods Pro are packed with another feature called automatic ear detection. With this feature on, the earbuds will stop playing when one of them or both are taken out of the ear and will resume playing when they are back in the ear. It comes in handy because I do not have to press on the button to pause the song when I take one earbud out of the ear and press again to resume the song. I only do one move for 2 actions. You have the option to let the earbuds announce the messages. When you receive a message, this will be read on the earbuds. The AirPods Pro are compatible with Find My, so you can see them on the map on your phone or even on a laptop or PC via the Find My app. In terms of battery, the earbuds offer 3.5 hours with ANC and transparency mode on and 4.5 to 5 hours with ANC and transparency mode off. And with the charging case, it will go up to 24 hours. The case can be charged via the lightning cable, but it also has wireless charging. It does have fast charge, 5 minutes on charge gives around 1 hour of playtime. The AirPods Pro offer a great listening experience. The sound is clear and rich. There is a noticeable bump in the mid-range, which is good for vocals, but I wanted more bass. I feel like it is not as much as I needed and Apple can do more. Nevertheless, the sound is really good. It is crisp and it has more room compared to other earbuds. That spatial audio feature enhances the sound to the point where I feel like I'm at a live concert. The AirPods Pro have a bump in the mid-range which makes the voice to be clear. Now it depends on how you like the sound to be. Nevertheless, the voice is understandable and clear. The microphone doesn't disappoint. This is a sample recorded via the AirPods Pro. Let me know what do you think in the comment section below. Now, in terms of competition, their direct competitor is the Beats Fit Pro. Both of them have the same features. Both of them have the same H1 chip for faster pairing, for automatic switching, audio sharing and other features, and both of them cost the same. Well, nearly the same, as you can find the AirPods Pro on offer. There are 2 differences. The first one is styled, with ear hooks or with stems, and the second one is the charging case, with Type-C or lightning cable, or wireless charging or without wireless charging. There are cheaper alternatives and also expensive ones on the market, however, they do not have the same features as the Apple AirPods Pro. The AirPods Pro are the best earbuds under the Apple brand that offer crispy, clear sound. In my opinion, they tend to have a more casual style, but I've seen a lot of people wearing them while working out in the gym or running, which makes them a great choice for a wide range of activities. They are a bit pricey, but are well priced compared to the other earbuds on the market. I went for this unit as I wanted that automatic switching from one Apple device to another without having to disconnect the earbuds from a device so they can connect to another one. Hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Hit the like button if so, and subscribe to the channel to be notified of other product reviews. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.